Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Intentional Fun with Olivia. I have to get used to saying that. If you didn't see my video from yesterday, I'll try to link it down below so you can go check it out, why there is a name change. And today is my very first yarn video on my YouTube channel. And it is also my very first YarnYAY subscription box. Yay! Literally, yay! She did very well naming this box. So it's my first one. So let me tell you a little bit about this box. It has yarn in it. I love yarn. For those of you that do not know, if you haven't been following me on my Instagram account, you can see lots of crochet and knit items there that I've been working on. I'm addicted. I have been crocheting since I was about, I want to say 9, 10, knitting since I was about 35, somewhere around there. So yeah, it's another addiction that I have, and I've been enjoying it so much lately. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos about knitting and crochet, and I didn't know that these boxes existed. I mean, I had heard about them, I'd kind of glanced at them, but now that I've been watching these videos, I was like, oh, I need to sign up for this. So let's go over this box. My very first one, I did cut the tape here so we could order it. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Sneak peek. And I'm also filming. Normally I film with my iPhone. Today I am trying something new. I am filming on my Mac desktop, so I'm using QuickTime. Is it QuickTime? Yeah, QuickTime Player. And it reverses the image for some reason, and I'm not sure how the volume's gonna come. But we're trying it. We're trying it. This is my first time filming this way, and it's in a different location. So let's hope this works. Let's hope you can hear me. The volume's okay. If not, at least maybe you can see the yarn. Okay, so this box, let me tell you a little bit about it. Like I was saying, the box is curated by Vicki Howell. And if you don't know who Vicki Howell is, she, I think she started off as a designer of crochet and knit items. She created the show, the knit show, and she was also the host for that show back in the day. Oh my God, because I've been knitting and crocheting for a while, and there was a point in time a few years back when I was a stay-at-home mom and I used to watch these shows, and oh my God, you guys. Anyway, she's also an author. She has books on crochet and knit. Let's see, what else did I write here? Anyway, her signature color is aqua. She loves that color. And so very fittingly, her box, is in an aqua colored box. She also has the option to get it in a bag, which is very, earth friendly, and it's a little bit less expensive. Instead of getting a paper pattern, which I'm going to go over in a second, you get a digital pattern. So there are options. Okay, back to the box and what it has in it. So this is what it has. It says generously sized sample of mid-range to high-end yarns, curated by Vicki Howell. So she specifically chose these. In many cases, from what I've seen in other video unboxings, she's collaborated with other people or small indie brands and stuff like that. And so it's really cool. You also get 2 exclusive patterns. One will be a knit pattern and one will be a crochet pattern. So if you do one or the other, you will have at least one pattern in this box that you can make with the yarn included in this box. Now I knit and crochet, so that means I get a choice of 2 different patterns. You will also have at least 2 specialty items that will make your knitting heart, I guess, or crochet heart swoon, it says on the website. You also get access into Vicki's private Facebook group where she does a lot of tutorials, live Q&A, exclusive interviews, and a huge and wonderful stitch along community as well. Now I just joined that community today because I hadn't realized that that was one of the perks of subscribing to this box. I was looking at it so I could take notes and share with you, and since I hadn't opened the box, you know, I hadn't like jumped in because I knew I wanted to film this unboxing. So yes, so I just joined it today. It hasn't been approved yet, but I'm expecting it will. Okay, so what is the price of this box? You can sign up for the box $35 a month, month to month. For me, this is a little bit pricier, but they are mid-range to high-end yarn, so I was willing to try it. And I mean, you get yarn, you get 2 patterns, you get some accessories. So yeah, I wanted to try it. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it, but we'll see. You have the option to get it for 3 months, pay ahead, $103. That brings it down to about $34. You can do 6 months for $203. That brings it down to $33. And then you can get it for the whole year for $400. And if you do that, you get an extra month. So you get 13 months for $400, which brings it down to $30 per month. So there you go. Okay, let's jump in. So the very first thing in the box that I'm seeing here is, it looks like it's the patterns. So it is cowl patterns, and it looks like this one is crocheted and this one is knit. So that is the picture. Now I don't want to show you the pattern, but let me see if I can show you. So this is the knit one. I'm sorry, I'm not used to this QuickTime yet. So the knit scarf is by Vicki Howell herself. It was designed by herself, and it is a brioche pattern, and I've never tried that, so I might be trying that. Here's another little picture that looks really pretty. And then here's a close-up picture of the crochet. Ooh, the crochet one is by Robin Chichula. Did anybody ever subscribe? Oops, let me see. Let me see how I can do this. So I can show you. That's the picture of the crochet. Robin Chichula designed the crochet pattern. I used to be subscribed to a magazine called Crochet Today, and I remember loving Robin Chichula's designs. If any of you are crocheters out there, you will probably recognize that name too. So, and it's nice because you have the worded, the instructions for the pattern in Word, and you also have the design. I'll kind of cover it up, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. I'll go into the notions. It looks like there are some buttons here. Phone is making a sound. I apologize for that. Oh, you know what? It probably, yes. So in the little booklet, it also mentions the notions on the very first page. So we get some, let's see, does it mention these little buttons? Cuticle oil. Okay, so we are getting some cuticle oil, which is here, and it says this hand-poured vegan cuticle oil is scented with essential oils and sized to fit in the notions pouch of your project bag. Your cuticles won't snag your yarn on our watch. Okay, and then Black Dahlia Lacquer is a mother-daughter owned business based in Austin, Texas. That's pretty cool, and it has the website in case you love it and you want to go purchase some more of this cuticle oil. It doesn't have anything about the buttons though. Well, they're pretty and they look like they're gonna go with the yarn. So let's move on to the yarn. Okay, this is what it looks like, you guys. And let me tell you, this looks so soft. It's so squishy. Okay, so I'm not normally an orange lover, but this is kind of like a salmon. You know how salmon kind of has like pink slash peach kind of, and then it's like a tweed. Can you see that? Oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay, so the brand name is Sueño Tweed, or that's the yarn line, Sueño Tweed, and the brand is Haiku, and it does give us a little bit of information in our little booklet here. It says, we've teamed up with our friends at Skacel again to celebrate the launch of tweed yarns within their popular Sueño Merino and Bamboo line. We've created at YarnYAY exclusive color, which makes this month's selection even more special. The found horn or leather buttons in this box are also from them. Oh, okay, so it was under the yarn section. That's why I couldn't find anything about the buttons. It's by the same company. And it has, Skacel Knitting is a woman-founded and ran company based in Kent, Washington. For more information, skacelknitting.com. Okay, so let's read a little bit about this yarn here. So the color is called YarnYAY. So it is a special color. Now this is made up of 69% superwash merino wool. I love wool and I love that it's superwash. 16% viscose from bamboo, 15% Donegal viscose, and you get 100 grams, which is 233 meters or 255 yards. Now I can't tell from this if it's like what the yarn weight is, but it feels like a DK. For those of you familiar, yarn does have certain weights. It means the thickness, basically. So a DK is like a 3 DK. That's what it feels like. I'm telling you, I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna like this in a cowl. Ooh, this could go with what I'm wearing right now. And the tweed colors are like a light blue, purple, hot pink. I think there's a little bit of yellow in there too. Yeah, this is really pretty. I like the tweed colors that it has in here. It's lovely. And then the last thing in this box, it looks like a tote bag. Yay! A new year, 2021. This will be used for sure with yarn projects, maybe for groceries, but more likely a yarn project. So the tote, the yarn, the buttons, the cuticle oil. I'm happy with this. I'm so happy. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this? I'm excited to get started on this yarn. You know, when you get really nice yarn, and I want to do another video of some other yarn that I purchased recently. I mean, some of them cost me $25, $30 a skein alone. So this was $35. It has the yarn, it has the tote, it has 2 patterns, it has cuticle oil, and it has the buttons. So for me, if I love the yarn, it's worth it. I know that's a little bit pricey. Now, don't get me wrong. I love Red Heart Super Saver. I love Lion Brand. I love all these other brands too that are less expensive, and I buy those too. But lately, I've been on a kick of like nice yarn. Anyway, let me know what you think. I will put a link down below if I can find like a sharing link where you get like a discount or something. Because usually, you know, subscriptions have that, you know, share with a friend and they get this much off and you get whatever. Not because I want to get anything, but just in case you're interested and you want to join in this journey with me of seeing what we're going to be getting every month. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will talk to you later. Bye.